How to add music to CapCut app. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website that allows you to download music for free. You can try this one. Now you can navigate to any of the music that you want to download and add to your CapCut. Click on three dots, select the option download. Again, click on the option download, click on open. Once the music has been downloaded, close this. Now launch your CapCut app. Now launch any of the project. Then click on the option audio, click on the option sounds. Head over to this one option given over here. Now here, click on the option device, click on the option select from device. Your Files app will open up. Now navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the music. Launch it. Checking for the music, click on open. Now click on this plus option. With that, the audio will be added in your project. So this way you can easily add music to CapCut app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.